This clip's got my ride from Strawn down to the Henty River along Ocean Beach on the west coast of Tasmania. I'm riding my 2017 model KTM EXC 500. Backing tracks are by the externals.